Disney World. So we flew out super early this morning out of Pittsburgh. We got into Orlando around 8 a.m. and got on the Mears transportation. And now we are here at the Grand Floridian, and somehow our room was like basically ready. I mean, I did get ready in a public bathroom once we got here. And then of course, as soon as I was done, we got the notification that our room was ready. But hey, super excited that the room was ready before we headed out to any parks or anything. So we were able to come in here, get a little bit settled, especially because we're only here one night, because tomorrow we leave for the Disney Fantasies. We're on Disney cruise, so that's mainly why we're down here. But of course we spent the night here at Disney first, just to make things easier, especially because Disney provides transportation. Well, you have to pay for it, but you can get transportation from Disney hotels to Port Canaveral. So it just makes the process a lot more seamless, and it allows you to get on the ship earlier, which is nice, or typically earlier than what your normal time would be if you do the Disney transportation rather than driving over yourself. So I wanted to do a little room tour because we did actually get one of the brand new renovated DVC rooms here at the Grand Floridian. So if you're unfamiliar with the Grand Floridian, this is a hotel on the monorail loop. So it's right next to Magic Kingdom. You can take a boat to Magic Kingdom, the monorail of course, or you can even walk to Magic Kingdom from here. So it draws a lot of people. But they have two areas with DVC here, or like I guess two contracts of DVC here. One's the original DVC building, which is a separate building. Like, well, I mean, I guess here all of the rooms are like in separate buildings. Not many are in the main building, but if you have been to the Grand Floridian, if you're looking at the lobby straight on from the parking lot, it's on the right, and there's like a covered walkway over to that building. So that's the older DVC buildings. Or the older DVC building, still beautiful rooms, but they added on some new DVC rooms in some of the other buildings. And I do believe that they're renovating all of the Grand Floridian rooms as a whole. So I don't know, I think you can book these rooms cash, but I'm obsessed with these rooms. I've been on a tour in one of these before. It is so beautiful. It is so like my aesthetic. So I just love it. And I'll show you guys the little lobby area in this building as well once we go down, because it's just such a vibe for me. But for now, I'm gonna give you guys a little room tour. So when you walk in, you have this table set up over here. So it has a little bench, you can pull it out, a table, and then a nice mirror. So it's a great spot to get ready in if you want to. And then straight on, sorry, all our bags, and we have so much luggage because we're technically gone for like 10 nights, but only here one night, but we had to bring it all with us, you know. But this is the main room, obviously. And right here to the right, you do get a microwave, coffee machine, ice bucket. And then there's a beverage cooler down here, or I don't know, this might be a mini fridge, I'm not sure. I think it is a mini fridge, but that'll depend, the temperature for those. You might have to check if you need like insulin or you're carrying like breast milk or something. But just some tea and coffee that they provide, and like some throwaway stuff if you need it. And then I'm gonna do a whole video about these on Instagram, but I'll show you some of the little like nods to Mary Poppins, so you can see this is from Mary Poppins Returns, so like the new version, and then like her umbrella's under there, and then there's some penguins hidden in here. Super cute. I wish they sold this wallpaper. And then the room is just so pretty. I love the colors. I love the chandelier. It's little glass birds, and then there's one penguin for Mary Poppins. So cute. These beds are super nice with like a velvety headboard. There's little accents on these pillows as well with the parasols, umbrellas, and the penguins as well. And then in the middle, you do have like a big side table with drawers and a lamp and a phone. And then on each of the other sides, you do have these like little built into the wall ones, and there's plugs and USBs. And then these lights you can turn on, or these reading lights. You also have nice closet space, and it's like built-ins, which I think's really, really nice looking and like very smart of them. I have my dirty laundry in here right now, but you do get robes here, extra pillow and blanket, This does have a full-length mirror here, which is nice. That's my laundry. And then luggage rack, some hanging space. And then there is some other space here. It's more cubbies. And then this is a hairdryer. And then a steamer, safe. You have your TV and your dresser. You have your you-know-who. And then this actually does pull out into a single sleeper bed. I'm not going to pull it down, but you can kind of see this diagram that kind of shows you how to do it. So that's what the pillow and blanket's for over there. This artwork over here, it's Cherry Tree Lane and Mary Poppins. Super cute. Again, I wish they sold that because that's so cute. And then your other queen bed here. And then some other details on this lamp shade. Has Mary's umbrella. And then I just love the molding in this room too. It's just so unique. And then we have a great view. We have a lagoon view. We actually have a view of the wedding pavilion, you can see. And then the construction going on at the Polynesian. The Polynesian bungalows are out there. As you can see, it's an overcast day. It's very humid out. But I'm hoping we'll be able to see the electrical water pageant here tonight. So if we see that, we'll have to look up what time it is. If we see that, we'll definitely be sure to show you guys, because I feel like it's something not everybody at Disney has seen. And it's one of my favorite things. It's very nostalgic to me. It is an opening day. I don't want like a show, I guess. But again, I feel like it doesn't get enough love anymore. We'll go back to the bathroom here. So you have a door, sliding barn door here. So it has the toilet, and it does have a tub shower combo, but it's a nice one with a glass sliding door and really nice shower head. And then your H2O, non-H2O products. And I just love all the gold accents in here. And then look at this vanity, so pretty. Again, some of our stuff's already under there. Double sink, which is super nice. Love this mirror. So whimsical and pretty, and it's great lighting as well. And then from the little carnival scene in Mary Poppins. Super cute. And I also love this tile on the floor. It's so pretty. So that's a little room tour for you guys. I think we're gonna record some other stuff here. Probably end up eating here. I don't know, maybe we're definitely gonna go to Magic Kingdom today. They close at 6 because there is a Halloween party, which we do not have tickets to. Honestly, I'm happy because it's supposed to rain tonight anyway, so it worked out better that we didn't end up going to that. But we're going to hang out here for a minute, get settled, and we'll keep you guys posted. The app is saying that the wait for Space Mountain, it said it was at 5 minutes, but I think it's now saying 15, I think. So we're gonna ride it because that's such a short walk-on wait. Everything's really quiet here today because there's a Halloween party night, so it closes early, so a lot of people don't want to spend their full day ticket here. So I don't know, a lot of people seem to be rushing towards this at 15 minutes, so we'll see how long it is. So we did Space Mountain, and it was indeed like actually 15 minutes. I was shocked by that, but I want to show you. Can you put the wait times on your phone? It's so hot out today, guys. It's just like really, really humid and muggy because it's like feels like it's gonna rain, even though it hasn't yet. But the wait times are so short, but super low wait times today. Like even to meet Mickey, it's 10 minutes. Like some of the stuff's like normally these times, but Pirates of the Caribbean's only 15. Space Mountain's only 20. Big Thunder's only 35. Seven Dwarfs is only 40.
So really short wait times. So I recommend coming here on party days for the Christmas party and Halloween party, even if you're not going to the party, just because the wait times are pretty short so you can get more done faster. But we're also in this part of Storybook Circus where they have a bunch of like chargers and stuff. So you can see there's some over there, and there's tons of seating. It's not air conditioned over here, but it's still in the shade and everything. So it's a good spot to come if you need to charge your phone, maybe if your kid's taking a nap in a stroller, and just to be out in direct sunlight. It's here in the back by Pete's Silly Sideshow. I don't think I've seen it this empty in the middle of the day at Magic Kingdom in such a long time. They have the Main Street vehicles out still, and it's like into the afternoon. So that's a pretty telltale sign. It's pretty empty today. Wow.
To fly. Have you ever seen the grass so green, or a bluer sky of blue?
We hopped on the monorail to head over to Epcot, so we're here now. I don't know what exactly we're gonna do. It is really hot, so I don't know if we're gonna do the countries or anything. Just kind of poke around and see what's going on. They have these Mickey jack-o'-lanterns that light up. They're $60 each, but those are so cute. I have this tiny one for $30. Maybe you don't want to splurge on the big one or don't have the space. He's battery powered too. Super cute. They have this Muppets Lab like beaker looking wine glass for $14.99. It is actual glass. I just love the Muppets merch. I'm trying to convince Grant to get this shirt. That's embroidered there, the Muppet Labs logo, and then the back. Hello guys, it is a little bit later obviously, so we had been at Magic Kingdom a little bit today, then we went over to Epcot on the monorail. We were just there for probably about a half an hour or so just to poke around. It was just so hot out. We were so tired and like our feet were starting to hurt, so we knew it was time to just kind of call it. So we came back to the hotel and we showered. It felt so nice to just shower and get clean. We ordered like early dinner because we had to eat lunch at like 11 or so we were pretty hungry for dinner around 4 or so. We got dinner from Gasparilla Island Grill ? And brought that back to the room and ate that, and then we just basically vegged all evening, which felt really, really nice because we're gonna have an early morning tomorrow, and it actually ended up like raining sideways this evening, so it's kind of better that we weren't out and about. But the electrical water pageant is supposed to start here, I think in around 15 minutes. I don't know if it's like on the dot or anything. It's set at 8:30ish at the Grand Floridian, so I'm hoping we can see it from our room because I think this is where it parks. So fingers crossed for that. So if we see that, I'm gonna show you guys. If not, then we will see you guys in the morning. Oh, also, I wanted to show you one thing I did get from Magic Kingdom today. I got a lug bag. I've been wanting one of these since they announced them at Destination D23 like 2 years ago. But I'd never seen one in person because they were always sold out. Anytime like we came, they were never here. But I found one and I got it because honestly, it's gonna be the perfect size for me because it'll fit my phone, it'll fit my camera, it'll fit my wallet, my sunglasses, so literally all my essentials, it'll fit perfectly, which will be so nice. So I got this little orange bird one and it's embroidered, his little face, and then the back actually says Magic Kingdom. And then I know right now they also had in stock at Epcot, they had a Figment one that said Epcot on the back, and then a Ratatouille Remy one that said Food and Wine Festival on the back. So you can actually use this as like a belt bag or a crossbody. This can obviously get longer or shorter. So I'm excited to have one of these because I've been wanting one. And I know they have some different ones on the cruise ship, so I'm curious to see those as well. But tomorrow we have to get up around like 6:30ish because we have to have our bags out by 7 a.m. Probably should wake up at 6:15 actually, because I want to be able to do my makeup and everything and then just set everything out for them to grab. And then I believe we get on the bus either 8:30 or 9, so we'll have some time. We'll probably get some breakfast and chill out a little bit before we head to the cruise ship. I'm so excited.